Hey everyone, welcome back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm gonna be making some cheese crackers. These crackers are made with only 5 ingredients. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my niece Oneki and she loves to snack on my ingredients. So first we are gonna put our cheese, butter and salt into a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until it looks like this. Then we're gonna add in the flour and about a tablespoon of iced water and mix again. The dough should be crumbly but also should hold its shape when smushed.
You know what happened with the D-R-E.
Transfer the dough out onto a work surface and shape the dough into a disc. Wrap the disc of dough and refrigerate. Roll out the refrigerated dough. Cut into squares. Poke a hole in the center of each cracker. And place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So she decided to come back and help me. And now we're gonna sprinkle some salt on top of each cracker. And bake! So there you have it, homemade cheese crackers that are puffy and cheesy. Make sure to check out the description box down below for the ingredients and click over here to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another amazing recipe. Bye bye!